first place. Game check total was $4,510 from the Star Team.
Watch your back on it. See, we can hear it like there. Our chili gone.
Alright, well, thanks for everyone for staying out tonight and snoring and taking up the time for putting this event on. We're taking a pick 3-star rating for all the support and with that, and open house in. Jerry Phil, Dave Folk Transmission for sponsoring this year in snoring. Redline Motor, did a good run this weekend. BFG, guys just hooked up real nice this weekend. And we look forward to Richmond, the event tomorrow.